Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Sony. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. In this pop-up, in order to disable location, select Close, and to enable it, click on Turn on Location. I will go with Close, so when I click and go back, I can see that location of my Sony is disabled. If you want to enable it, select the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!